In this lesson, we will understand what are DAX measures in Power BI. We will also see an example. So these are used for data analysis in Power BI. Okay, you can consider them as dynamic calculations to perform complex data analysis. These can be used to analyze and visual data in Power BI reports. It calculates on existing data, can be used in your tables also, and can be reused across reports. So herein we will see an example and calculate the value of the new measure on our monthly profit.excel sx file. So let us see an example. So you can either click on the desktop shortcut or go to start, type Power BI and open it. Click blank report. Now click get data and click Excel workbook to load your file. Here and I'll select monthly profit. Right click and open it. Let us see what it is having. Here it is, only the month and the profit, that's it. And the Excel workbook name is profit by month. I'll click open. Now select your workbook and here is the same file I have just shown you. Click load. Now it will load. Now go to the data and your file is visible here. Excel file with the two columns, month and sum of profits. Okay, now first go to the visualizations pane and click the table. Here it is. Select both of them so that it gets added to the table. Here it is. Let us first format it. I'll click here. Let's say I'll drag here. This looks fine. Now after selecting this, go to format your visual values and herein set the size. I'll set it to 15 and now it's visible. Or I can directly go here, go to presets, style presets under visual and select bold header. Now also this looks fine. Select it and format visual values and 17. Select it. Okay, go to column headers and set it to 17. Now this looks fine. Now it's visible. Here it is. Click new measure. Where it is? Here. Add the formula. Here we will set the projected profit. It's written measure. First change it to projected profit. Okay. Okay, now mention the sum function. This is the DAX function. Under that mention profit by month and within that the profit value. I'll just multiply it by 2. Close the sum and just multiply it by 2. I'm just projecting the profit to be double. Okay. The reference table is profit by month. The reference column is profit in the profit by month. That is the following. That's it. And all this is going from the following table. The details are here. Press enter. And the projected profit is visible. Now you can see the calculator sign is visible. So this is your measure. Okay. Click here. That's it. Now we have our projected profit also. That means we have selected the columns and created a table with the projected profit column as well now. Using the same two columns and the projected profit column, we will create a clustered column chart. Click here, clustered column chart. Here it is. Click here and select all the three values, and this will create our clustered column chart. Okay, you can check here. So in this way guys, we can easily work around the DAX measure. So we added a new column and used the DAX to project the profit. We added a new column. Okay, the projected profit we have set just for a sample to twice the current profit. Okay, now I'll save it. Click here, save. I'll name it Amit DX measure. Okay, .pbx is the Power BI file, no problem. Click save, and we have saved it. So guys, in this way we can work with the DAX measure. Thank you for watching the video.